What's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video. Today we're going to be checking out a case for the Google Pixel 5. This is the WeyColor silicone case. You can pick this up on Amazon for about $11, $10, depending on what color you get. This does come in various colors, black, purple. We have this bluish purple color. There's red and also a yellow. I'll leave the links down in the description where you can pick this up. Alrighty, so some of the features, one, it is a TPU kind of silicone, liquid silicone case for the Pixel 5. Let's go ahead and get this right unboxed here. Hard plastic protection, and oh, you get some other goodies here. That's it. It looks like you actually get some tempered glass screen protectors. That's a nice bonus. So I can already tell you right away. I mean, I can't guarantee how good these are, but this is tempered glass. You actually do get a hole punch for the front camera, and for $10-11 you get 2 tempered glass screen protectors. You get your dry wipes. Looks like there's no stickers included, but what do you expect for when you're buying a case? That's a nice little bonus. So here it is. Here is the silicone case. This is actually a nice silicone. It's soft and smooth. I don't think it's going to be, it's not grippy like the Apple silicone cases to where it'll pick up lint. I will have to wait and see, but everything is protected all around. On the inside you have this nice felt material, so that way it doesn't scratch your phone, but of course wipe off your phone before installing it. You have your raised buttons here on the side, that way they're easily to find, and it snaps into place just like this. So this is that purplish light purple color, and there is the fingerprint scanner, which actually does a decent job. Actually does an excellent job of giving adequate space around the fingerprint to find it. So there's that. Oh man, that's unfortunate. The power and volume up and down buttons are actually quite difficult to push. I'm putting what I would think would be enough force to press the buttons. Let's remove the case real quick. And let me try these buttons. Oh yeah, so it definitely adds much more difficult, adds a good amount of difficulty to press these buttons. That is quite unfortunate. I actually really like this color and also the material of this case. You do get adequate protection for your glass and the camera bump there. And then on the front, as you can see, I do have a tempered glass screen protector. You can check out that video right up here. But this pretty much goes, I would say pretty much not quite, it's just barely past that glass. I wouldn't say it's drop protection front down, but if you didn't have a tempered glass screen protector, it would cover that glass at least. And at the bottom, there's adequate space around the charging port and the speaker mic grill. You'd have a little hole here on the side for a lanyard. But overall, this is a nice, smooth feeling case. It adds a little bit of grip, but not too much. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to the case either, which is nice. But those buttons are much more difficult to press, that's for sure, which is quite unfortunate. I mean, yes, granted, you can just unlock the phone, don't have to worry about it. But the volume up and down buttons, yes, you can double tap on it and turn on the screen that way, but still, that's unfortunate. So you do get what you pay for, $10-11. Reviews are showing about 4.5 stars, but I couldn't really find any other silicone case for the Pixel 5. I wanted to try one out. But there you have it. Unfortunately, you're not going to really be able to improve this is really stiff right in here. It doesn't give too much, so you can't really improve the button feel. So unfortunately, because of that reason, this would be a really tough case to recommend unless if you like that stiffness of the buttons. If you don't use the buttons, then this case would be just fine. But nonetheless, I'll leave the link down in the description. Definitely check this video out if you are on Amazon and potentially looking at purchasing this case. Just a fair warning there. So if you guys have any questions, comments, questions, concerns, leave them down in the section below. I'll, of course, cover and respond to those to the best of my ability. Thank you all for watching. Happy New Year. Take care.